How you doing? This is Omar Khalif. You know what? I want to share with you in this little monologue. And this monologue is called Check Your Credit, and not necessarily your credit score, because what's happening inside of this entire bailout situation, the credit card companies are sleeping, which is in a which is a way to increase their interest rate, even though you have not defaulted on your loan, your payments are not late or anything like that. They're trying to find creative ways to get you into a higher interest rate. For instance, now I'm with a credit card company. It's a pretty good credit card company. But I was a bit disturbed this morning when I went online, looked at my credit card, and it was $285 for purchase and finance. And I'm like, well, I haven't purchased anything. Then I looked, it said I made a payment in September, which was more than the average payment. Made a payment in October, which was more than the average payment, and made a payment in November, which was 3 times more than the average payment. The person who was helping me looked and said, "Oh yeah, Mr. Khalif, I have noticed you did make those payments. So what I'm going to do is credit all of the overage back to your credit card, decrease your interest rate, and also we're going to decrease your average monthly payment." So my advice to you right now, America, those of you who are out there in YouTube land, while credit card companies and banks are getting bailed out, they're trying to pull you in. So my advice to you right now is check your credit card, check the interest rate on your credit card, and make sure that you are not being a victim of more trickery and thievery from our banking system. I think it's an atrocity of what's happening right now to people in this country. It's harder for me to make it month to month on the same salary that I've had for the last 5 years, and it's getting worse. So anyway, check your credit, check your credit card interest rates, and check your statements, and don't be afraid to call them people and call them to task. But what you should do is make sure you have all your records and your documents available. That's what I got to say for you right now. Check your credit.